Good morning. I will tell you my best vacation. We were on a farm spending Christmas. It was very nice and big. At had a ski park. The children liked horse and had a fun with them. We gathered the whole family. We had the same share. We made a very delicious dinner and we all shared it. It was very nice to feel the warmth to home. My best vacation was when I was Arauca. I shared it with my family. We celebrated my baby birthday. We made a very nice piñata. She enjoyed her 2 years. I feel very grateful to be able to share with my family science. There are very few times that I am with them, as well as seeing how the place where and grew up. Seeing my nephews as they are when they grow up, I think feels my with happiness and more than seeing my mother happy. She is very important to me and if all are well I too. My mom was happy to have us younger. We are three sisters but living in different cities. We were at the farm, my daughter learning to ride a horse and I really enjoy it. Really feeling the world of is what makes us feel more calm than when I feel it was best vacation. Thank you.